Okay, so what archaeologists discovered is they examined 9,000-year-old skeletons and they found 11 teeth which show evidence of dental drilling. And there has actually been a study published about this in the journal Nature in 2006. So, what they mention there is that these dental surgeries seem to have worked very well because there's evidence that people kept using these teeth even after they were drilled through. So, they were using them normally, they were chewing food. So, nothing bad happened as a result of the surgery. In fact, they were working well. And they also mention something else which is very interesting. So, they say that in Mehergarh there was a tradition of making beads. Okay, so carnelian beads, lapis lazuli beads, and they say that the same sort of skills which can lead to bead making can also lead to the development of dental surgery.
Like
And the
like drilling, for example.
yeah, so you need to make very small holes in these beads because you need to actually pass a string through the beads. So that same skill will teach you how to do dental drilling. So that's a really interesting hypothesis which they put forward. And dental surgery also continues into Sushruta's times because Sushruta talks about that as well.